Introducing the new Mitsubishi ASX, a compact urban SUV. With its class-leading connectivity and advanced technology wrapped in a modern design, the ASX isn't just a vehicle, it's a companion you can rely on, empowering your journey with confidence and ease. The ASX, available in petrol, mild hybrid or hybrid models, is engineered for the rhythm of the city. It's a fusion of performance and innovation designed to seamlessly integrate into your lifestyle. Discover the reimagined exterior of the ASX. Its fresh, dynamic design comes to life with the Mitsubishi Motors Dynamic Shield, creating a presence that's both commanding and inviting. The bright and bold LED lights front and rear ensure you're seen and safe. The stylish and striking silhouette captivates from every angle. At the rear, the ASX proudly displays the Mitsubishi wordmark, reflecting the vehicle's strong posture and the enduring reliability Mitsubishi is known for. Step into the reinvented interior of the ASX. Fabulously versatile, it offers space for 5 people with luggage and a sliding rear bench for adaptable comfort. Fantastic views await through the panoramic sunroof, creating an open and airy ambiance. The digital dashboard with its high-contrast display elegantly presents vital information for effortless viewing. And for an unparalleled audio experience, the ASX features the Audio Premium Harman Kardon sound system, delivering sensational sounds that truly resonate. Personalization in the ASX is redefined. Set the scene with drive mode ambient lighting, illuminating your drive with colors that reflect your mood. The 10-inch digital driver display adds to this personal touch, offering a clear and customizable view of your driving information. Drive mode offers 4 customizable performance modes, including personal mode for a drive that's uniquely yours. The ASX comes in 5 different colors and an optional black roof. And with our range of genuine accessories, from stylish wheels to unique styling elements, you can add a personal touch to your ASX, expressing your individual style with every detail. We reconnected the Mitsubishi ASX to your world. You can link your smartphone for uninterrupted access to your digital world wirelessly. A comprehensive suite of Google services with Google built in, ready to respond to your needs and seamlessly integrate with your digital life. The ASX safety features are enhanced and refined. You can cruise with confidence using My Pilot, our advanced driver assistance system. Achieve parking perfection with Park Assist and the Around View monitor. While the rear cross-traffic alert adds another layer of safety, ensuring you're well protected along with a suite of other advanced safety features. The Mitsubishi ASX is more than just a car. It's a commitment to a confident and connected lifestyle. With its full 5-year warranty and 5 years of roadside assistance, the ASX is a reliable, forward-thinking companion.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.